Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with safety and orientation. Unplug the headset and remove the mic so nothing tugs or shorts while you work. Lay a soft cloth down to protect pads and cups. Once done, inspect the seam where the ear muff meets the cup. The G Pro X uses a combination of clips and magnets, so you'll pry gently at the notch with a fingernail or flat pick. Do this slowly and feel for the clip release. Ripping can deform the cup or mount. You proceed by working around the cup. Insert your finger or pick into the notch and lift a small section, then move clockwise, releasing clips in sequence. This distributes force and prevents tearing. If you encounter slight adhesive or foam seating, coax it loose slowly. Heat from your hands can loosen glue bonds, which is why you should not force. Once the ring is free, inspect the speaker housing for retained clips or dust, so the new pad mates cleanly and seats flush. You finish by aligning the replacement muff with any L/R marks and the clip tabs, then press evenly around the circumference until each clip engages and you hear a click. Once seated, wear the headset briefly and listen for changes. A proper seal improves bass and comfort. If fit is loose or sound seems off, make sure no clip is caught or foam is folded. Reseat the pad, clean contact surfaces, or warm the adhesive slightly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.